What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2010 Toyota Sienna, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install a new double din. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is what we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that type of stuff. And let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do with your Toyota Sienna is come over here and take these two panels off. I'm pretty sure they're only held in by clips, but we want to use our panel removal tool and just continue to pop that off, and then I guess I can kind of grab it from there. You can take that harness out if you want to, but it's not really in my way. At least I don't think so right now. But it's actually pretty simple. I don't even need that panel removal tool, but you do want to start off because you don't want to tear nothing up. All right, now it looks like we just have two 10 mils over there and two 10 mils over here, and shoot, we'll have that radio. Alright, so before we just go pulling on this thing, we do have to relieve this. Use my panel removal tool to get that clip out of the back. I got another one on that side, and then that thing's gonna come forward and pull up. You don't want to pull straight up, because then you'll break those clips, because they do go in like this. You got to come down on that type of motion. But now that we have that out, just take this radio out like that. Boom, take out our harnesses, and guess what? Got that radio. All right, y'all, factory radio out. Let's go over here to the bench and get that other radio prepped. So the dash kit is actually pretty easy. They come with 4 pieces. Actually, you're gonna have 2 of these, one for the left, one for the right. You'll actually have the dash kit itself, and this is the small little trim that just pops in place, so it helps everything look flush. So you just want to snap that one in place, no problem with that. And these little brackets, they have this small little ridge that go onto this little ridge right here. So we're gonna go ahead and connect that. So now that we have that connected, we just want to go ahead and take our double din and slide it into place just like that. And we want to take the deck screws that came with the radio, and we want to screw 2 on the right, 2 on the left side. All right, so now we got that thing in there good. 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left, looking pretty flush. I'm gonna take that little film off this alpine. Let's get this thing back inside the car. All right, y'all, so we are back in the car. We have everything wired up, and this is your first time tuning into the channel. You're probably thinking, man, why didn't he go over that wiring? Well, here I like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point, and going over the wiring on each individual video is going to be an extra 5 to 10 minutes on these videos, and I have over 150 different radio removal videos. So what I did is I made one video that is linked in the description, and there's cards in the corner that shows you all about how to wire up a radio. And I know some people are like, but every car is different. Yes, every car is different. Every car is going to have a different harness and have different wire colors on the factory side, but on that aftermarket side, those wire colors are going to be the same as this one, and that's what you need to know. So I made that video for you guys, so the people who know how to wire up a radio, you have this resource on how to take the factory one out, and the people who don't know, you have this video and another resource to wire it up. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, so that's what it looked like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Links will be in the description. Till next time, it's your boy JP signing out.